This is my lifestyle. I love to cook good and yummy food for my family. So for breakfast, I will make egg toast for my husband, and for dinner, I will be making pizza for the children. Hello, lovelies. I want to remind us of the 5 characteristics of love in a healthy marriage. The first one is unconditional love, meaning you have to offer love to your spouse unconditionally, regardless. The second one is love is intentional, being deliberate, showing and loving your spouse. You cannot love your spouse by mistake. You have to take an intentional step and be deliberate about it. The fourth is love is sacrificial. Love gives and love sacrifices. If you cannot make sacrifices for the person you love, that means you don't love them. The fifth, love is patience, forgiving, and tolerance. I thought to share, so let's get into making the pizza. For the pizza, you need flour, sugar, salt, olive oil, and water. I have a well-detailed video on how to make pizza, so do well to check it out. So I will begin to mix and knead. The kneading part is the most difficult because you have to apply strength and knead it. Knead and knead, you guys. You need at least 8 to 10 minutes for it to be ready. You will notice when you press the dough and it bounces back, that means it's ready. Once the dough is ready, I will grease the pot with olive oil, place the dough, cover, and keep it in a warm place to rise, and this should take about 4 to 6 hours or even overnight. The next thing is to prep my vegetables. You guys, you can play around with your toppings. So I will be chopping up some bell peppers, onions. I will be adding sweet corn as well. My children had already prepped the sausages, so basically everything is ready. You guys, if you are not ready to buy pizza all the time, you got to learn how to make it at home. And as always, homemade is the best. So 6 hours later, the dough has risen. I'm going to grease the pan with olive oil, cut some dough and spread it as demonstrated. You guys, this will save you lots of money if you learn how to make this at home. And it's very simple and tastes even more better. You guys, if you taste this pizza, my pizza is always rich because I am generous with the toppings. I will go ahead and add my tomato sauce, sprinkle some salt to taste, add my mozzarella, sausages, bell peppers, sweet corn, onions, add some crushed pepper because I like to be extra. You guys, if you follow this step, you will come back to testify. I'm going to sprinkle more cheese and it's ready to go in the oven and bake until done. Now the pizza is ready. I'm going to serve and enjoy. This is so good, guys. Give it a try. It's so good.